Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set rise to wake in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. And here select smart motion and click on smart screen on off, and here first option rise to wake. Just to turn on this button so that you can pick up your phone when the screen is off, so that your phone screen will turn on automatically. That is your phone screen will wake up. Okay, so here my phone screen is off. I locked my phone, so phone screen is off. And to wake up phone screen, what I have to do, just pick up my phone like this and see here phone screen is waked up. So in this way you can easily raise your phone to wake up your screen if phone screen is off. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable rise to wake in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.